Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious sourdough discard pancakes. The link for the printable recipe will be in the descriptions below. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a quarter cup of butter melted, or you can use a quarter cup of milk kefir or a quarter cup of buttermilk for this recipe. Now, I use a nice thick starter. I will make sure to feed my starter 12 hours to even 3 days before, and I just make sure that it's a really thick starter when I mix it. So I'll give it about 2 cups of flour and maybe a cup of water and add a little bit more until it's a really thick consistency. So you're going to need 2 cups of sourdough discard. You're going to want 2 eggs for this recipe. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup or a raw sugar, any sweetener that you like. And then you're just going to give that a mix and mix it all together. Afterward, you're just going to add about a quarter teaspoon of sea salt. And then go and add your melted butter and just keep mixing as you pour the butter in. Afterward, you're going to want to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give that another pretty much final mix, and then if you want to, you can add half a cup of chocolate chips or berries into this mixture. Now I have my cast iron on medium heat, and I'll just put the butter until it gets bubbly, and then start adding in your batter to whatever size that you like. So I add it, this is a big spoon, and I probably add a quarter cup per pancake, just approximately. And you're just gonna let this cook until you see bubbles forming on the top of your pancake. And once there's quite a few bubbles, then you're gonna wanna flip it. And you only wanna flip your pancakes once so that you don't flatten them. If you're enjoying this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more homemaking and cooking from scratch recipes, plus lots of sourdough recipes as well. Let your pancakes cook for about another minute or so on the other side, and then remove them from the heat. Top them with butter, maple syrup, honey, whatever toppings that you like, and then just enjoy. They are so delicious and just melt in your mouth. And this is just a great way to use up that sourdough discard if you happen to have a lot piling up in your fridge in your jar. I'll see you again in my next video. Have a lovely day.